Government of Meghalaya, Office of the Subdivisional Officer, Civil Amlarem Subdivision, Amlarem. Kini kalau ngajeng tip nam tak itu candidate kepada hepok Amlarem who have applied for the post of contractual process server in the office of the undersigned advertise why this office letter that you are hereby to appear for the written test. Take itu kita apply nam tak kene post contractual process server. Take haban one nam tak kene ka written test kemanlong ha Artrik September arjar apply. Shipo Baje in Amlarem Secondary School. The candidate are requested to bring along the receipt of application fee. Haban ra eka tuka receipt hakapor bapi submit application form. Text IP kata receipt habra lang kata ka receipt lane or any identity proof in original in the exam center. Kawai ni kita lane da ka ID proof in the exam center. The selected candidate as indicated below. Kibala asya selected ki candidate kilong Meban lam khongla P Rojes Imli Henryson khongla wan rablang lamin damewan nong plu ringkon lanong Jimin Mukim Mary Dalin khongtir Iban Rihun Dhar Difailin Pochna Shining Star Manar Stevenson Talang Faldora khongla Hillary Suting wan rilai kenti Po Ksang Meban Yada Lamin Kersoy Nyalang Bantom Sumer Eprim Muksor, Kamwakwa Muksor, Yadei Borlang El Gayang, Shining Star Tongperl, Longshai Talang, Ifla Sumer Dabyangki Lingdo, Borling Merchiang, Marbut Ki Phawa, Pinshinga Maner Maristar Potmi, Iban Kerlang Kharbani, Victory Kasa, Dari Phira I Poksang, Rin Hian Diam Nyalang R.V. Mon Buam Medita Gashinga Aquila Khongla Felicita Potmi Banrilin Do Lamin Pat Arsansos Gayang Melarisisha Henriam Monica Henriam Timai Lamat Elton John Talang Bakiyu Potmi Shilmi Potam Atlanta Pochna Chirngen Langsiang Sairin Tariang Piningan lang buam Aisidura Tariang Jacinta Potam Tibarwel Suchan Kersoy Tinsang dari Hun Sumer Sanam Sumer Karim Sumer Samen Kisana Manusia Tinsang Selina Maria Jesimak Gashinga Girasis Sumer Aldo Liting Arjun Dhar Lambet Khongla Ridalin Amse Sumarlang Lamin Gadeu Tiampui Sumer Starful Gashinga Ronaldo Khongla Idan rup khandai ngot kibalong eligible nam taka written test. The condition of eligibility regarding educational qualification and fixed pay has been changed. Lapan kalama. Dia ketukapor ki I class 6 pass class 6 pass instead of class 8 pass. Kadai no class 6 issue class 8. Dia pay bade kadai no khat hajar issue per hajar. Lapan kala. And fixed pay has been changed. Lapan kala. The candidate who passed the written examination will be shortlisted to appear for personal interview as per date and venue indicated in the table below. Take your pass nam taka written exam, can support shaka personal interview, kalong arpomak, nakam top 4 from round 1. Then nakaneka written examination, soundwood and select and poi shaka personal interview. Take on ka personal attitude can test yapi. Then kandai office of the SDO Amlarem 4th September 2023 at 10 am. Kibasha select. Ka personal interview kan day South September tang sangut na kinegi indrup na ingut an cha select man poi haga personal interview de tang gide gijim tip kublejbon